This is the premise and synopsis section. This is where you do the high-level planning of your novel. This section has 4 default panels: premise, pitch, short synopsis, and extended synopsis. Premise. The premise section is where you make sure your story has all the major elements it needs to stand up and take its first steps. The pitch section is where you can note down ideas you have for describing your story in a way that makes people excited. Having a good elevator pitch, i.e. a description that can be given to someone in the time it takes to ride an elevator, can be critical for the success of your story. The short synopsis section is where you can write a single-page summary of your novel. This is helpful for making sure that you have a solid structure, and also for submitting to agents and publishers. There's a roadmap article all about the short synopsis, so check that out for more info. The extended synopsis section is where you can write a skeleton or outline of your novel in as much detail as suits you, giving yourself an overview, but without the restrictive word limit of a short synopsis. The extended synopsis is a working document to help you stay on track and get a high-level view of your whole story. Now, note that you can actually add your own custom panels in this section by clicking the Add Custom button. This will allow you to add panels which are either a single descriptive text box or a series of questions. You might want to use custom panels to create somewhere to store notes on your comparative titles. These are books that might sit next to yours on the bookshelf. That can be used for best practices and to give people an idea of whether they might enjoy your book, or inspiration for writing this story, or something completely different. Don't forget to look out for the little help symbols for more info on making the most out of this section.